And let's do a shout out to all of our channel subscriber. I mean, channel members. Halika rito, shout out. Liuhi, Paulo Fagundes, Steven Taylor, Sisi Anja, Prince Jomer Oladik, shout out. Marcelo Misuno and Georgie, shout out to all of you guys. Thank you for repurchasing the uh, channel subscription. And guys, for all, if you want to support more of my channel, you can sponsor, or you can click the join button below, and it will help a lot to my channel. Just be a member to unlock all perks. They I didn't post more perks that I don't have an idea what I should post, but maybe later, I don't know when, I'm gonna post more about me, or more, something cool. And shout out to my friend, my dear friend Andrew. Thank you so much for supporting always. And to Sweet Jerry, and for all of our US fans, our Indian friends, all of you guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. And I'm thinking lately of going back, doing doing workout lately. You know, problems, like my tooth problem, my teeth is always in pain, side by side. So much problems, stress, anxiety attacks, basic depression, you know. That's it, guys. That's the reason I'm not that active lately. But maybe, next month, or next week, or next month, we're gonna go back on workout again. We're gonna do workout again. We're gonna making some workout sessions, and workout videos, shower videos.